National Sunday Law. Before the return of Jesus Christ, the entire earth will be assaulted by an ever-increasing number of cataclysmic floods, forest fires, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, droughts, and hurricanes. See Luke chapter 21 and Matthew chapter 24. These nightmarish disasters in America will bring the U.S. economy to the brink of national bankruptcy. Hyperinflation will be uncontrollable. Outbreaks of horrific diseases will be everywhere. Insurance companies will be bankrupt. Cities will be overrun with violent crime due to union strikes, food shortages, and jobless destitutes. Local and federal aid will be virtually non-existent. As the fearful specter of national financial ruin becomes a horrific reality, Christians of all denominations will believe that the lack of reverence for Sunday, as a sacred and holy day for the worship of God, has brought the wrath of God upon America. See 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. Christians will bring overwhelming pressure on Congress to pass a National Sunday Law. This National Sunday Law will establish curfews, rationing, and restrictions on buying and selling in order to restore law and order. See Revelation chapter 13 verse 17. Those that violate this law will be subject to fines, imprisonment, and eventually even the death penalty. This fearful law will require the observance of Sunday, the first day of the week, as a day of rest and worship, contrary to the fourth commandment of God that requires the observance of the holy seventh-day Sabbath, which is Saturday, as the holy day of worship. See Exodus chapter 20 verses 8 to 11. Despite the fact that religious leaders and scholars of all major Protestant denominations freely admit that there is no Bible verse, command, or instruction to keep or observe Sunday as sacred or holy, millions of faithful Christians worldwide have been led to believe otherwise because of the tradition of Sunday sacredness inherited from the Roman Catholic Church. The Roman Catholic Church readily acknowledges that there is no scriptural basis for Sunday worship and proudly points to the historical fact that the Roman Catholic Church changed the Ten Commandments as a sign of their authority and power. This is a direct fulfillment of Bible prophecy. See Daniel chapter 7 verse 25. The fourth commandment establishes the absolute fact that the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. See Exodus chapter 20 verses 8 to 11. Jesus Christ declared that the Sabbath was made for man. See Mark chapter 2 verse 27. While there is still time, all that hear these words need to repent and be baptized that they may be among the redeemed that keep the Ten Commandments of God. See Revelation chapter 14 verse 12. All those that reject the holy Ten Commandments as the standard of righteousness will accept the mark of the beast of Revelation chapter 13 verses 15 to 17, which is the soon-to-come National Sunday Law 666. The National Sunday Law, the mark of the beast 666.